It's an easy way to synchronize your data with Airtable and Google Sheets. So this is the login screen. You press sign in. You'll be asked to get the permissions. Okay, these are the permissions. It will ask you to give approval to check whether the file exists in Google Drive, and to see, create, edit, and update Google Sheets, and your personal information like your email ID and Google ID. So you allow. After signing up, you have to give your Airtable personal access token from Airtable Developer Hub. You can get the details how to get the Airtable token in the help page. So once you give your Airtable, uh, Airtable token, you have to give your workspace ID from Airtable. Give a test name, give the workspace ID, and click submit. So that's it. You are all set up to sync your Airtable data with Google Sheets. So this is a test Airtable I have created. So if we click sync, it will send the data to Google Sheets. So it's been created. So when you go to Google Sheets, you can find the Airtable here. So you can do the same thing from Google Sheet to Airtable also. I hope it's useful to you all. Thank you.